Hello everyone, welcome back to my computer project. This week I have now fitted one of the registers that goes into the ALU, and I've hooked it up to the front panel here. So these 8 controls, they feed directly into the register now, but they only actually go in there when I flick that switch. So when I get the second register in, it will go in when you flip the other switch. That way I can have them both connected to a single bus and just select which one I actually want to put in. So yeah, I'll show you that. Maybe this way was better. Don't know. Yeah, so here's the register. What I've done so far is just swap out the wires that were going into that. I've now cut that in bits and then put one half of it there and the other half of it directly there. So this will probably change. This can stay the same, that's fine, but this is a bit stretched and it's not wired up very nicely there. There was a bit of an issue. It is quite sensitive, how I've done the memory this time, but it uses less power. But I had to make this little, I don't know if you can see it on here. Yeah, I had to make this little doodad, that's now stuck in there, for the switch. So that the switch is always connected to ground until I flip it. So yeah, because that was the wrong way around, because the way the memory works is when it's open to ground, it doesn't read anything. But when the second you put it high or disconnect it, it reads whatever's on the bus. So I had to mess around with that for a bit. Also, the LEDs on the register, they were messing with it. So they're there, they're on the board, but they're all disconnected. So I may come back to that board and fix it, or I might just leave it. Depends if I can be bothered. So anyway, I'll show you how this works. Let me just turn it on. Right. So as you can see, we've got... okay, I moved it and it changed. Right, so as you can see, we can change these inputs now, and nothing happens until I flick this. Then it's changed. So this one is still directly connected. I think I have this the wrong way around. Yeah, there we go. So if I put a 1 here, it's directly connected. There's no register for that yet. But if I put a 1 here, it doesn't do anything until I switch it. And this was minus. Oh yeah, that one's directly, okay. So yeah, that's the register working. Just needs some wire management. Oh yeah, also, because the register was so sensitive, I had to add a lot more wire. For ground as well, because even just between like 2 of these points I have for sending wires all the way around, like 0.014 volts. There was very few volts, but there was a volt difference between just ground here and ground there. So I've tried to fix that up a bit by adding some more wire, adding some more shortcuts to the actual main power supply, and that helps a little bit. I don't know if that was actually causing issues with the register, but it was going to cause issues sometime, somewhere, so I fixed it. But yeah, that's all working. That's basically it. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.